Hey brother, what's up? It's me again. So, today we have DOM manipulation using create element, append child, insert before, remove child, etc. So, I just have some containers, give some CSS, all here, put a solid, we have a class, we have just a tag, and we have an ID, and we have some stuff over here. List items, an ordered list, some divs, with some IDs, and yeah. So, yep, I have everything here. So let's just get started. So, I'm gonna do this. All right. So, all right. Sorry. This make things simpler. All right. So, I'll start here. So right here, we are going into the HTML. So we create a variable. Get into the document, query selection A. So I'm targeting the A. Should be the link that says this link, and it has this link. So you notice before that it didn't actually have anything attached to it. No underline, didn't give it an href. So just do that. So yeah. Oh wait, no, still. All right. So before I commented it, uncommented it. Sorry. I didn't have anything. No clicks. Nothing. So let's see. If I take out my comments and make them all work. Sorry. Okay, so now we have this, and also I am just going to show you we have this object. Right now we're going document get element by ID result 1. Result 1 is going to be above this is a paragraph. And it is just copying. We just went into this, grab it, and now we're presenting it again. It's just a copy. This one is so that we can grab elements using DOM and then spitting them back out again. So there's that. We have visit this link, and I have an href. I gave it a name, giving it a value, setting the attribute of A to this. So if I click it, visit this link to see what my favorite song is. Right click that. There we go. Is this a random anime video? Ignore it. And since it's a copy of that, this is a copy of this that I'm just spitting out. It should show me the same thing. And it does. So it looks like we were able to successfully grab our A and spit it back out in an object. And we're able to set an attribute, a link, to an A tag already. So good job, us. You'll notice that the A is here, didn't originally have an href, so we just attached it using whatever we did. Sorry, it's 1158. We attached it, gave it an anchor, gave it a link, and now it's linked to YouTube. So there's that. And document again with the query selector, we're gonna go into the A. We're gonna change up the HTML itself, and it should spit out. This is now a new link text, so you can see here. Now the A inside, instead of saying this link, it says this is now a new link text. Just so that it functions. Yep, it goes back to what it originally was, and we've successfully manipulated the A to show the text that we want instead. So yep, there's now a new link text. Good job. So now we're gonna create an element. Just do a simple list item. Hold on. I should explain first. So we are going to create an li, a list item, and I just made a variable text object node equals document create text node, this is not fun, in parentheses, so it should be spitting out a list item that says this is not fun. And we are taking our node, appending the child to, we are appending this text object node, which is this. And we are going into the document and getting our ID, our list here, and appending that, appending our node. So just do that. Hold on. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. All right, here we are. This is not fun. We added another list item to our unordered list using JavaScript by creating a node, finding our list, and attaching it to that list. And here we're going to remove from that same list, or that list here. So variable remove from list equals document.getElement by ID result 2. Result 2, this is a paragraph. Hold on. Huh. Anyway, we're just gonna do this and do that. Let's see the change. All right. So variable remove from list equals document element by ID result 2, and in result 2 remove the child. So let's see. It looks like the child node in our result 2. So we have this P and we have this P. Both are children of our div here. And it looks like I got rid of the child node 0, which is, interestingly enough, this is also a paragraph. So if I put it to 1, we are going to get stuck with this is a paragraph. Cool. Then 0. This is also a paragraph. So we get to choose which one we want to do and which one we don't want to do by changing which child using 0 or 1. Cool. And okay, we have variable mcnode equals document.createElement.li. We're just gonna create another list item, but this time we're doing the insert before. So we're gonna insert it into wherever before whatever element we want here. I'm just gonna remove this, remove this. So, yep, we made I want McDonald's. We appended it. We found the list item, and we put it in. Then we take it. We put insert before, and I'm inserting my McNode right before list.child node 0. Our list is just the ID I gave to the unordered list, and list.child's node 0 should be targeting our first child. So let's see. That out. All right, so we do have the text node, and it's just, they're just adding it. They added it to the end. I want McDonald's. Here we have I want McDonald's. So if we don't use insert before, or we don't choose where I put it, it's just going to put it last. But I got to show off insert before to show you that I know how to do this, that I spent hours on this. So I'm going to uncomment it. And since it's before 0, our first child, it showed first instead of the original 0, our first child. And it does. I want McDonald's should be before I just want to pass this class, which I really do. And to show that it works, we're going to 1, so it just should come second. Or not. 2. That's interesting. Wait, no. First child is... Yeah, never mind, sorry. So yeah, this is our actual first child. Here's our 2. Here's our 3. Not sure what's working. maybe it's bugging out. I apologize for that. So I'm just going to put it back to 1. And we have that. So yeah, I'm not sure why my mouse is doing that, but I guess it might be a little buggy. Anyway, yeah, I did all this work. This is all original, whatever. But yeah, this has been DOM manipulation using create element, append child, insert before, and remove. I did create an element. I appended another child. I put an insert before and a remove. So yeah, I was also able to target elements. It's attributes of them. Gave my anchor an href and gave it a YouTube link. Cool. That's it for this video. Thanks.